Respected judges, we are a group of third-year BTech students representing the team Future Innovators.
Our problem statement is development of AIML-based models for predicting prices of agri-horticultural commodities such as pulses and vegetables. Addressing the problem of price volatility in essential agricultural commodities is crucial for maintaining economic stability and consumer protection. Stable prices ensure farmer income stability, support effective government policy, and contribute to food security by preventing shortages and managing supply chain disruptions.
Our web application is available in English, Bengali, and Hindi, ensuring that we can manage our inventory in the language we are most comfortable with. Simply select the preferred language from the drop down list to access all features with ease and clarity.
Welcome to the real-time agri-horticultural visualization feature, where we enter the location to access real-time visualizations of key parameters like market price, temperature, humidity, wind speed, precipitation, UV index, cloud cover, and dew point. We can choose how we want to view the data, whether in bar graphs, line graphs, or pie charts, to get clear insights that helps to optimize agricultural planning and decision making.
In the Enter Data section, we input essential details for a precise price forecast. We start by selecting crop type, month, state, season, pest infestation levels, market competition levels, temperature, and rainfall. For deeper insights, we provide supply and demand volume in tons, transportation cost, fertilizers used, and the price per kg. Once all the data is entered, a real-time forecast is generated that compares the actual and predicted prices of the commodity monthly in the form of an interactive bar graph or line graph, allowing us to easily track price fluctuations and optimizing our strategy. Additionally, our web application provides downloadable resources on agriculture, including crop management guides, helping us to stay informed and make data-driven decisions.
Heading towards the buffer stock option, the first step is selecting the commodity we want to manage. Next, input the current stock levels, enter the quantity present in storage, enter the supply volume and demand volume. Now select the state and district where the commodity is stored or distributed. Input the transportation cost per kg. Lastly, enter the price per kg of the commodity. Now our ML model will predict the necessary buffer stock levels and display an interactive graph with real-time data. The graph allows us to hover over specific data points for detailed information.
Here are some cutting-edge innovations to help us manage the crops more efficiently, reduce risk, and stay ahead of market trends. First, buffer stock alert and prediction system. With the new buffer stock alert, we will get real-time notifications when our stock levels are low based on predicted demand. We can stay ahead by replenishing stock at the right time, ensuring smooth operations. Second, recommendation system. Our personalized recommendation system provides tailored advice on planting, harvesting, and selling based on our crop type, weather, and market conditions. Third, regional stock management. Now we can manage and monitor our crop stock across multiple regions with our regional stock management feature. We can balance inventory and meet regional demand efficiently. Bridging the gap between technology farmers and the department, this web application will not only increase profitability but also create a more resilient and sustainable agricultural ecosystem.